In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download an app from Base44. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go, what to click, and what to expect when saving your app as a zip file to your computer. First, open your browser and head to the Base44 web app. Make sure you're using a modern browser and that you have access to the workspace where your app lives. If you're working with multiple teams or environments, double check that you're in the correct account before moving on. A quick refresh can also help if the dashboard looks out of date. Once you're in, look for the Apps section in the Base44 interface. It's typically in the main navigation. Click it and you'll land on a view that lists the apps associated with your workspace. This page may include tabs or filters like My Apps or Workspace, which is helpful if you manage a lot of projects. If the app you need isn't immediately visible, use the search bar or adjust any filters to narrow things down. The goal here is simply to bring up the app you plan to download. Next, select your organization or workspace to open the app you want. In the example, you might see something like Banana Corporation, but in your account, it will reflect your own organization's name. Clicking into it loads the app's details and editor area where you can preview the project, confirm you've got the right one, and prepare to export. If anything looks off, back out and pick the correct workspace to avoid exporting the wrong project. Now find and click Export Project as zip. This triggers Base44 to bundle your app's files into a single compressed zip archive, making it easy to store, share, or hand off to teammates. Depending on your browser settings, the download will either begin automatically or you'll be asked to choose a location. Keep an eye on your downloads bar or your default downloads folder to verify that the file arrives. The export size and download time can vary based on how large your app is, so give it a moment if it's a big project. If you see a permissions message or the export button is disabled, you may need access from your workspace admin. Once the zip finishes downloading, you're all set. You can keep it as a backup, attach it to a ticket, or unzip it later to review the contents locally. That's the full process. Open Base44, go to Apps, select the correct workspace, and export as a zip. Thanks for watching and happy exporting.